If we think for the solution, it is good, but oppositions are not invited, so we don't have any comment.
No, but the question is that you see, for such thing you see, even the living out of the opposition party, how do you look into it?
How do you feel? Yeah, let us see, because what is a very serious problem. There will be no comment at all as of now. And it is very good, as I repeat, that if the outcome is very good and positive for the entire people of Manipur, then it will be welcome. But there is no discussion at all, and there is no information to the part of the opposition. So there will be no comment in this matter. It is too early. That is, after the meeting, we can understand what to do and what will be the comment from the side. Yes.
Apart from the elected members, don't you think it's a high time to include all the stakeholders of every community to be part of the discussion, so that for an overall final measures could be taken on?
Definitely, that is very good, because it is in a democratic state countries, so that is the participation from the opposition is also highly required, because the magnitude of the present unprecedented turmoil situation, it will require from all sections of the people and from all these sections of the political parties. That will be very positive in case if it is happened then. So far it is too early to say anything, because after this outcome there will be some these ideas, so that we can say anything like if it is so.
Okay. Thank you.